I found a channel that makes an average of $200 per month by telling horror stories. Not bad, right? Moreover, the creepy Vid AI channel is newly created. However, since it chose the right niche, it quickly started earning revenue from YouTube. As the channel grows, it could become like Mr. Nightmare and generate around $33,000 per month. It's a niche with great potential and can be considered evergreen because it will never lose relevance. Since there will always be an audience for this type of content, it's definitely worth trying. So, without further ado, let's go step by step and create a horror video for YouTube together. First, I asked ChatGPT to write a horror story for me. Then, I had it generate English prompts so I could create visuals and videos that match the story's flow. I will make this video using both images and footage. For images, I will use Leonardo AI. Depending on your channel's concept, you can choose either animation or cinematic visuals. I'm going with a cinematic style. For videos, I will use Kling AI. I take advantage of its text-to-video feature, but to speed up the process, I change the model selection at the top. If you're using the free version, be sure to check this setting. I follow the same process for the other prompts and prepare my visuals. Then I move on to voiceover using 11 Labs. I paste my story into the text-to-speech section, choose a voice that fits the horror theme, and hit generate. Now that I have all my materials ready, I switch to CapCut to combine the visuals with sound and effects. Since the concept is horror, I try to create a dark and eerie atmosphere. I enhance my voiceover directly in CapCut to make it more engaging.
One stormy evening, a group of 5 friends, Nathan, Lily, Eric, Sam, and Julia, decided to test the legend.
Finally, I add background music and generate subtitles. And there you have it. Our horror video is ready.
Is parted into a clearing where a massive, pulsing mound of flesh writhed, faces stretched from its surface, whispering in agony. It was a living thing, a hive of tormented souls fused together. Lily clutched Nathan's arm. We have to turn back. But then the mound opened, a gaping, dripping maw filled with grasping hands. It lunged, pulling Sam into its embrace. His screams faded as his face.
What do you think of this idea? Would you consider starting a similar channel for YouTube automation? If you found this video useful and are interested in the idea, don't forget to like and comment.